Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2009 Ford Escape and I will show you how to remove and replace the front grille. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now, most of the manuals and other videos will tell you that you have to completely remove the front bumper to be able to remove the grille. That's not true. With a bit of effort you can remove the grille without removing the whole bumper. If you decide to remove the whole bumper, yes, it will be easier to remove the grille, but I think that's just unnecessary work, so I will show you in this video how to do it without removing the bumper. Okay, so to start you'll want to lift the front hood and remove two 10mm screws. You'll have one down here on the left side and one on the opposite side just down here. Okay, so once you have removed these two screws, you will notice that your front grille is quite loose, and that will get you much more access to work down here. Now, next thing you have to do, you'll have to remove one 7mm screw on each side, which is down here, and just by removing those top screws you get access to this. So again, you'll have to use your ratchet with the 7mm socket and remove it. You can even do it with a wrench key. And you have one to remove on the other side as well. So on the driver's side, also same location, so just down here. And those are actually the two main screws which are holding this grille in place. Once you have bottom two screws out, there isn't much left to do. You'll have a couple of taps just to push out. So you'll have one tap just here. You'll have one 10mm metal fastener nut to remove just here. And you'll have one pin again to push out, one tap to push out here. One 10mm nut here and one pin here, and that's everything. So pretty much first you want to remove those two 10mm nuts and then just push these tabs out, and that's everything. You can just remove your grille safely. As you can see, there is plenty of room for the hand to get in and all the tools to just slowly remove those nuts. Okay, so these are the nuts, and once they are off, you just want to push those tabs out. Now you might want to use your flat screwdriver or something similar just to pry them out here. Try to squeeze my phone inside, show you. Not sure if you can see it. Pretty much just have to push here with the screwdriver to get this tab out, and that's everything. I'll have to use both of my hands to do this part of the job. I can't be recording, but that's the idea, right? So just put something here to support it and squeeze it out, and that's everything. Okay, I will try to zoom in here a bit and show you. So you see, you just have to pull this tab, push onto it, and then the grille will just easily pop out. See, that's the idea. Okay, and that's it. This is how you can easily remove the front grille without removing the complete bumper. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.